Hello friends, we have started revision of chapter 10, reflection and refraction of light. I have already explained you the phenomenon of reflection. We have also discussed reflection of light by plane mirror. Today we will discuss reflection of light by curved mirror. First, we understand reflection of light by concave mirror. As you can see in this picture, here is a concave mirror having pole P and this is the axis of mirror. The point on the axis at which the reflected light is focused by the mirror is known as principal focus. This point is C, center of curvature. It is the center of the sphere from which the mirror is a part. The distance between principal focus and pole is called focal length. It is denoted by F. If object is very far from the mirror, principally says at infinite distance, the rays from that object incident parallelly on the mirror and after reflection it passes through principal focus. This is the case when object is at infinite distance. But we consider a case where object is away from the center of curvature. Let A be is object and the distance of the object which is measured from the pole is say U. This is the object distance. Then the ray of light we consider only two rays emerging from the object. Actually, there are infinite number of light rays which emerge from the object incident on the mirror and get reflected. But we consider two rays, one from the bottom B and another from top A. So, the ray which is traveling along the axis incident at an angle 0 with respect to normal, it will bounce back in the same direction, and the ray which is emerging from A top experience reflection at some point Q and reflect back. The image formed by mirror when object is away from 2F is between F and 2F. You can see friends, this is inverted image. This is inverted image and small in size. The distance of image from the pole is denoted by V. Like this. Now, formula relating object distance, image distance and focal length, that is U, V and F, is for mirror formula. It is given by small f is equal to 1 upon V plus, minus here, plus 1 upon U. Here it is a plus sign. The ratio of image distance to object distance V by U is called magnification. Magnification is given by M is equal to V by U. Here we have to add minus sign according to sign convention. Right? Magnification is also ratio of height of image to that of object. If I call height of image is h dash and height of object is h, then magnification is also given by formula h dash upon h. If image is small in size compared to object, then magnification is less than 1. If image is larger than that of object size, then magnification is greater than 1. In case of plane mirror, size of image and that of object is same. So, according to this formula, for plane mirror, magnification is always 1. Keep in mind. Now, as object move towards the mirror, the image move away from the mirror. If object is shifted from here to 2F here, say, then this point is 2F or center of curvature C, then image will shift away from the mirror and its size will increase. Here, this is object AB and this is image A prime, B prime. Friends, this is the point, center of curvature, where size and distance of object is equal to size and distance of image for concave mirror. That means magnification is 1 for this particular position only. Inverted image is always real. The image which can be taken on screen is real image. The image which cannot be taken on screen, which can be seen only inside the mirror, is virtual image. As you move object towards the mirror, means if you place between F and 2F, then again image will move away somewhere here and the size of image will increase. But if you move